Hello student. Last lecture we have discussed the inverse trigonometry function, some basic formulas and some basic concept. Now we are going for a next topic. Next some formulas and some formula of 11th standard which we have to use in this chapter. So let us see. Sin inverse x is equal to x. Sin inverse and sin are together, then answer will be x. Similarly for cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Whenever the original function is composite with inverse trigonometry function, then answer will be x. For this x must be in the domain of the respective function. Domain of the respective function. So x must be in the respective domain. So here x must be in -1 to 1. It is the domain of sin inverse. Similarly for this is x is in -1 to 1. Here x belongs to R. X belongs to R. Here x is R minus open interval -1 to 1. Second things. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Tan plus cot inverse is pi by 2. And sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is also pi by 2. Reciprocal formulas. Cosec inverse x is equal to sin inverse 1 by x for x greater than or equal to 1. So, if we want to convert cosec to sin, so we have to take reciprocal of this one. Similarly, sec inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 by x and cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 by x for a positive value of x, and for a negative value of x it is pi plus tan inverse x. This should be remembered. Cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x if x is positive, means greater than 0, and it's pi plus tan inverse 1 by x for x less than 0. Now find the values of the following function. Let's first one. Suppose it is sin inverse cos pi by 7. In the last lecture we discussed this type of question, but in that case sin inverse and here also sin. But here we have given cos pi by 7. So in that case we have to convert this cos into sin. Then we can cancel sin inverse and sin. So sin inverse cos pi by 7 will be converted to sin formula. So what is the conversion of sin to cos? That is pi by 2 minus theta. So it will be pi by 2 minus pi by 7. Then cos will be converted into sin. Now sin inverse sin, this is pi by 2 minus 7, 7 to 7 minus 2 is 5 pi by 14. Now these both are cancelled and answer is 5 pi by 14. Another way, or second method, sin inverse cos pi by 7. Now use this formula. Sin inverse x equal to cos inverse x plus pi by 2. If this cos will goes on the right hand side, then sin inverse x is pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So sin inverse, this is our x, equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse cos pi by 7. We have used this formula. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. That means sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Now cos inverse cos cancel. Pi by 2 minus pi by 7. It will be 5 pi by 40. Got it? Another example. Cot inverse 10 pi by 3. Sorry, pi by 5. Cot inverse 10 pi by 5. So, it's pi by 2 minus 10 inverse 10 pi by 5. We have used this formula. Cot equal to pi by 2 minus 10. Pi by 2 minus 10 inverse. That means pi by 2, this cancel, pi by 5. So answer will be 3 pi by 10. Clear? Now, we have to remember some formulas of 11th standard. Sin 2 theta, 3 theta, 2 theta and 3 theta's formula. Let's see. Sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta, it has a 3 different formulas for sin cos and 1 for tan. So, and this is also 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus sorry, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Also 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula for in terms of tan. Similarly, 2 tan theta is tan 2 theta 1 minus tan square theta. This is the formula for 2 thetas. Now, for a 3 theta, similar formulas we have to remember for a 3 theta. Sin 3 theta, it's a 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. These are the basic important formulas. Now using this, we have to solve the following examples. Let's see. Sin inverse 2 sin sin 2 sin inverse x. See, we know sin inverse and sin will cancel, but here this 2 is creating a problem. If this 2 is not given, then answer will be x. Instead of x, I am taking 3 by 5. Let's see. 3 by 5. Now, it's a most IMP things. So for that, let sine inverse 3 by 5 equal to theta. That means the sine is goes on right hand side, sine theta will be 3 by 5. Now using Pythagoras theorem, if this is theta, then sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse, so adjacent side will be 4. So because of that, cos theta will be 4 by 5. Now see our question. Sine 2 sine inverse 3 by 5 equal to sine 2. What we have taken? Sine sine inverse 3 by 5 equal to theta. That means sine 2 theta. Now we have to use the formula sine 2 theta, and it is sine 2 sine theta into cos theta. So we have converted the given inverse trigonometry function into the simple trigo function. So now we know the value of sine theta and cos theta. The sine theta is equal to 3 by 5, cos theta is 4 by 5. Answer will be 4 3s are 12 2s are 24 by 25. Next, second one. Cos 3 cos inverse 1 by 3. So let cos inverse 1 by 3 equal to theta. That means cos theta is 1 by 3. And now 3 cos inverse 1 by 3, that cos 3 and cos inverse 1 by 3 equal to theta. That means this equal to theta. Now cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta. Use this formula. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube minus 3 cos theta. Now substitute the value. Cos cube theta means 1 by 3 cube minus 3 into 1 by 3, because cos theta is 1 by 3. Now 4 1 3 cube 27, 3 3 cancel 1. Now it's a 4 by 27 minus 1. Taking LCM and simplified, 4 minus 27 minus 23 by 27. Clear? Let's see some another example also. See third one. Cos 2 sine inverse 4 by 5. So let assume this as a theta. That means sine inverse 4 by 5 equal to theta. It is sine theta equal to 4 by 5. But we have question is in terms of cos. Cos 2 theta. So now cos 2 sine inverse 4 by 5. Cos 2 sine inverse 4 by 5 is our theta. Now cos 2 theta. Answer of that is in sine. So we have to use the formula of cos 2 theta in terms of sine theta. And the cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So 1 minus 2 Sin theta is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole square. 1 minus 2. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. Now taking LCM, 25 is 25 minus 16 2s are 32 upon 25. So it's a minus 7 by 25. So once you have to remember the formulas of the standard 11 for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, 3 theta. Let's next example. Fourth one. Let 10 1 by 2 cos 4 by 5. 10 square 1 by 2 cos 4 by 5. It's the most IMP things. So here let assume that cos inverse 4 by 5 equal to theta. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Now go to our original question. 1 by 2 cos inverse 4 by 5. Now 10 square 1 by 2 and that is theta. That means 10 square theta by 2. Now what is the formula for 10 square theta by 2 in terms of cos? Have you remember? It's a 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Once go through the formula of 11s. 1 minus cos theta 4 by 5. 1 plus 4 by 5. Taking LCM. 5 1 ja 5 by 4 it will 1 by 5. 5 1 ja 5 plus 4 9 by 5. 5 by cancel 1 by 9. Now got it? I will send you some examples like this. You have to solve it. Clear? Next things. Simplified. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Simplify these functions. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. So we have to simplify this. For that what we needed? This whole function in terms of tan. Then we can cancel it. So to make this function in terms of tan, what can we do? So divide by cos x in numerator and denominator. In numerator and denominator divide by cos x. That means cos by cos is 1 and sin by cos is 10. Now this cos by cos is 1 and this sin by cos is 10. Now remember the formula for 1 minus 10 upon 1 plus 10. This is 10 pi by 4 minus x. Tan alpha minus beta. 10 pi by 4 minus x. Tan alpha minus beta. Once you are going through, so it will be tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Now 10 pi by 4 is 1 in minus 10x. 1 plus 10x. In 11, I have given these formulas and tell that remember this for 12th standard. So 1 minus 10 upon 1 plus 10 is 10 pi by 4 minus x. So now tan inverse and tan. Here no any 2, 3 numbers. So tan cancel. Answer will be pi by 4 minus x. Clear? Next second one. Tan inverse 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So this is the formula for tan 2 theta means tan 2x. There is no need of any simplification. We know tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. And this tan cancel, answer will be 2x. This all point are very important for the MCQ. Clear? Now, addition and subtraction of an inverse trigonometry function. In 11th, we have studied the addition and subtraction formula for the trigonometry function like s minus s, s plus s, c minus c, c plus c, like that. In trigonometry function, there is a 4 formula for addition and subtraction: s minus s, s plus s, c minus c, c plus b. In that case, t plus t and t minus t is not there. Now, in an inverse trigonometry function, there is no formula for addition and subtraction for a sine and cos, just only for tan. So we have to remember only 2 formulas. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. For this condition, if the product of x and y is less than 1, so product of this x and y is less than 1, then we have to use first formula. If this product is greater than 1, then we have to use this formula: pi plus tan inverse x plus y by 1 plus 1 minus xy. And for xy equal to 1 means the product is 1, then answer will be pi by 2. For addition, we have to check the product of x and y, and using that product we have to use the appropriate formula. Now for tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, there is no any condition, just tan inverse x minus y 1 plus xy. Here minus, in numerator minus sign, and in denominator opposite sign. Here plus, numerator plus sign, in denominator negative sign. Very simple. Solve this one. So let first one, tan inverse 2 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 5. We have to add these two terms, means we have to find the addition of tan inverse 2 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 5. So here this is x and this is y. So check that 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. Product is 2 by 15, less than 1. Which formula we have to use? That first one. So answer is tan inverse x is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 5. Tan inverse. 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3. In denominator 5 3s are 15. Now here 5 3s are 15, 1s are 15, minus 2 1s are 2, upon 5 3s are 15. What is the answer? That 15 cancel, 10 plus 3, 13. 15 minus 2, 13. 13 cancel, tan inverse 1, and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Is it clear? It's very simple things. Let's second example. tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Let 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6 less than 1. So we have to use first formula, and first formula is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So it becomes tan inverse 3 1 ja 3, 2 1 ja 2, it's a 5 by 6. And 3 2 ja 6, 1 ja 6, minus 1 1 ja 1 upon 6. Just we have taken LCM and simplifying of the fraction, not another things we are doing. So it is numerator 5 by 6, denominator is also 5 by 6. Both are cancelled. 1 is the answer and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Clear? We'll solve more example in the next lecture. So for that you have to go through the basic formula of the 11th standard, and then you have to solve the given questions by yourself. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.